Napoleon! Very bad, Squirrel.
Who are you?
I am Mother Nature, and I think that you have been a very bad squirrel. This grass skirt is so itchy.
I am not a bad squirrel.
Well, I think you are. You've been eating human food, you've been breaking into houses, and you've been watching their TVs. Now, to repay me, you will be doing 300 hours of Mother Nature service, and you'll be hanging out with me. Here, hold this flower. Live things are good for the soul.
Looks very alive to me.
This is my house. Welcome to my humble abode. Come on in. You'll be staying here for a couple of days, just so you get used to nature being all around you, surrounding you.
Surrounding me?
Yes.
I'm used to sleeping on humans' futons. What are we gonna eat?
Nuts and berries. It's time to go to bed.
But it's only like 7:30.
Yes, and we need to get a good night's sleep. Plus, I get up at 2 every morning just to make sure the sun rises in all of its full glory and the birds fly across the sky. Good night! Oh, not so fast. You're staying. Trust me, I know everything that goes on around here. Time for breakfast.
I want Fritos.
You want veggies. Bad squirrel. I love my greens. Today it's time to learn how to plant flowers. Well,